Hi, and welcome to II Real Highlights. I'm your host David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a light on Asbestos Removal Newcastle, safe and reliable services in New Lambton, an article packed with vital info. You see, dealing with asbestos isn't just a recommendation, it's absolutely crucial for your health and safety, especially if you're in an older property. Our certified team in New Lambton specialises in handling this hazardous stuff with the highest regard for safety and environmental responsibility, following all local rules. We offer fully licensed services, environmentally safe disposal, and tailored solutions for all properties, whether it's your home or a large commercial site. We aim for quick, efficient service with minimal disruption because we understand Newcastle's unique asbestos challenges. For a deeper dive and more details, check out the full article. And if you're considering asbestos removal, book a call with our team today. Alright, let's tackle some frequently asked questions that pop up when we talk about asbestos removal. What exactly is it? Well, it's the process of safely extracting asbestos-containing materials from buildings. It's vital because disturbed asbestos poses serious health risks. Why hire professionals? Attempting DIY removal is incredibly dangerous and can lead to exposure or even legal issues. Licensed pros, like our team, have the training and experience to do it safely and compliantly. And how do we guarantee safe disposal? We stick to strict safety protocols, transporting removed asbestos to licensed facilities, ensuring both your family and the environment are protected. When you choose Asbestos Removal Newcastle, you're getting fully licensed and certified pros who prioritize your safety and compliance. We tailor our services to fit your needs, minimizing disruption, and with our deep understanding of Newcastle's unique challenges, you can count on us for efficient and responsible disposal. Don't wait, contact us for a free quote. Now, let's talk about New Lambton itself, a cracking suburb with a strong community spirit, historic buildings, and beautiful parks. As a homeowner here, you need a team who understands the unique challenges of Newcastle's buildings. Our deep-rooted local expertise ensures thorough assessments, acting as your safety net against hidden dangers. You've heard the horror stories, I'm sure, but our dedicated professionals expertly navigate local regulations, guiding you through each step with transparency. We illuminate the safest path forward for you and your loved ones, ensuring your peace of mind. And speaking of safety, it's non-negotiable. Asbestos fibres can become airborne, lingering long after removal. That's why professional, local expertise is essential. We know the subtleties of local building methods. This isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting your health and safeguarding your property's value, making it a wise investment for the future. Don't delay. Protect your future by booking a consultation with our asbestos removal team today.